Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. See, if we look at the chart, what we can see that the gold price is continuously moving in this particular zone. If you look at this particular zone, okay, and this is since 9th of August it is moving in this particular zone. Okay, if you make a zone high, it was around 1876 and a low, okay, if this low has been ignored, 1684, the next support we can see is coming at around 1719. okay, and this is the low which it has made 1719. So now if we look at overall picture, we can see this is the particular range, and if we make a trend line, we can see the pattern that it is trying to go in a particular zone. Then we can see yes, the trend is continuously in the particular form, or it's going down, because it has made a high of around 1920 1916, and from there it has not touched this level, and this is since June. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, you can join, link I have given in the description. And one more mail ID I have given, you can check there in the description. See, now suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see that yes, it can go and touch a level of 1779. okay, before that, if it stays above this level, that means if it stays above 1770, then we can see yes, it can go and touch a level of 1779. and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see yes, it can go further upside to a level of 1793. and if it stays above more than this, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1801. okay, why I'm saying 1801? Because this is the price which is here. If we look at the resistance is already got tested twice, so chances will be very high. okay, if it stays above a level of 1791, then we can see yes, there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 1799, and from there yes, we can see a level of 1807. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 18, and from there it can go further upside to a level of 1831. okay, so I have already told that keep this in mind. If the price goes above 1823, keep this in mind, then chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 1832. okay, once 1832 is touched, then there is a high probability that it can go and cross a level of, it can go and touch a level of 1843. okay, and once 1843 is touched, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1851. 1843 is where I have already told you that 1843, if it crossed upside and touched 1845, then we can see there is a movement of $20 to $30, which if you look at previous charts also, you will know that 1845 is an average price where the market was moving continuously. If it goes above this level, we have seen it has moved around $20 to $30 upside, even more, and if it comes below this level, then it goes below a level of 20 to 30 down. So what I meant to say is that if the price sustain above 1845, then it can go further upside. And what you have to keep in mind, if the price sustain above a level of 20 or 21, then we can see again it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1832 and can go further upside. okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then there is a probability that it can go and touch a level of 1766. okay, once if it crosses a level of 1766, then we can see yes, there is a probability that it can go and touch a level of 1762. okay, and if the price sustain below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1758, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1750. okay, so what you have to keep in mind, if the price goes below a level of 1766, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1760, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1751, and once 1751 is crossed downside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1744. okay, and once 1744 is touched downside, then we can see it can go further further low and can touch a level of 1736. Once 1736 is touched, then we can see a probability of touching of around 1721, because we cannot see any support coming at this particular zone other than 1727. Once 1727 is touched, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1721. And if it crosses 721, then we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of 1717. And if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low, and then we can see a selling pressure will come if it goes below a level of 1700. Any doubt, you can mail me. I have already given you a mail ID. Okay, one more thing I have to explain you, that suppose if you have, which is a very important thing, if you have $10,000 of profit capital for trading, then always trade with 10 to 20%, or you can reduce 0.5 to 1. That means around $100 will be your maximum risk per trade, so that if you trade the next day, then you should not be facing any mental issue regarding your recovery and all. Okay, so you can trade on a particular and with an easy way. Okay, suppose if you are in a profit of $200 or even 100, once if it comes down to 80, please exit the trade for the day and you can trade next day. Okay, so any doubt or workshop, you can mail me. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.